by doing this at home. Hopefully I will not, what you call that, I will not regret this, that I'm cutting my hair by myself. Regular scissors. Hello guys, this is Sarah G and welcome to my channel. So today what we're gonna do is to cut my hair and style it. Yeah, it's been a long time. I've been waiting so long to cut my hair, so look at how long. So you can take a look of how long is my hair. So I usually cut my hair like once a year. So I supposed to cut this hair like last summer, but I just don't have the luxury of time. And aside from that, I am saving money for something else. So that something else is I want to buy a new camera for my blog. It costs around like $500 to $600. So I'm saving for that because right now I am using my cell phone, my iPhone 7 for taking videos in YouTube. So this is my way of saving money. I remember last year I went to Walmart. In the Walmart store there is like a section in there that they have the salon. So it cost me around $110, including the tips for that includes cutting hair and hair color. So right now I am trying to save money. So by doing this at home, hopefully I will not, what you call that, I will not regret this, that I'm cutting my hair by myself. Let's do this and hopefully I don't regret this thing. So let's start. So what I'm gonna do first is divide my hair into, see, so in two sections. But I don't want to make it very short because the weather is getting colder. So probably about this short. So as you can see, and this portion, so I'm gonna cut a portion like this. So let's start. So it's good to cut your hair when it's wet. So I want to make sure that I cut it straight. I don't want it layered. So my objective is to just cut it straight. So but this thing. So I'm using regular scissors. Yeah. Oh my god, good luck. Just about like that. And then the other side. So this is probably like an estimate. I'm pretty much good on estimates. So here it is. So we will try to cut it slant because the objective is to cut it straight, and by doing slant cut we will have a straight cut result. So I'm gonna be doing this or this. So See? Look. How easy was that? So this is pretty much estimate. I can cut a little. Look at that. It looks straight. Look at the back. I want to see in the back. So I probably need a little trimming for this. So we will do a little trimming on this side because it's a little bit long. So this is basically an estimate. So this is like basically this side is the back side of the hair. I got little curls in my hair here. We need to eliminate the curls so to figure out if it's really straight. It's almost straight. It's not really like straight, but it's almost straight. Yeah. So a little. So, ito talaga yung hairline ko. See? So, yan. Yan na siya. How is that? Actually, I'm gonna do this more often. Goodbye, salon. I can do it myself now. Yeah, I love it. Do you like it? If you like this, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and I love it overall. I love it very much. And the good thing about it is I was able to save money, and then at the same time I don't need to, you know, like go to the salon and cut my hair, like spend about 2-3 hours. So I'm just cutting my hair at home, and basically I just do it while my kids are taking a nap. So thank you guys for watching, and see you all on my next video. So goodbye my hair. So this is my hair.